Good evening to those who listen. It is August 9th, 2018, 9:55 p.m. Whoa. Some weird lightning's been... Whoa. Weird lightning's been happening. And I saw some possible object. Whoa. And then, believe it or not, over here is Mars. Where there's like no clouds, and then suddenly, boom, just over here, there's a whole bunch of clouds. Looks like heat lightning to me, but it's weird because it's just like one big cloud here, and then nothing. But this is an actual video that I have to upload to YouTube, so we're going to make it short. Alright, thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing. God bless. Whoa.